On the African savanna, buffaloes are one of the most defensive herbivores. A mature individual can weigh nearly 1,500 pounds and usually move closely together in a herd to minimize risk. But when one temporarily separates from the group, the familiar balance immediately shifts. Several lions begin to approach silently, gradually closing the distance. The buffalo reacts quickly, turning repeatedly and using powerful kicks to maintain space. The lions are not in a hurry. They patiently pursue, applying steady pressure to gradually weaken their opponent.